Look at this massive, high-riding luxury silhouette dominating your screen right now. This completely shatters the age-old boundary separating soccer mom minivans from rugged, go-anywhere luxury crossovers. For years, car buyers have faced a painful compromise. Buy an SUV for mechanical ground clearance and all-wheel drive traction, or buy an MPV for ultimate family comfort. But Great Wall Motors has officially built the ultimate bridge between both worlds by deploying the spectacular, all-new Weipai Alpine 7 SUV edition. Welcome to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava, and we're diving right in. The Weipai Alpine, internationally recognized under GWM's premium Wey flagship line, poses a massive tactical question to the entire automotive industry. Can a multi-purpose vehicle successfully mimic the heavy-duty utility, elevated stance, and tactical confidence of a premium large SUV without compromising its first-class cabin experience? It takes direct aim at high-end family commuters who refuse to settle for standard crossovers. Let's break down the data on this absolute game-changer. This is far more than just a standard van with plastic body cladding. GWM has completely re-engineered the physical posture, introducing an advanced, variable air suspension system that actively increases ground clearance to an SUV-like baseline, so you can clear harsh obstacles with total peace of mind. But the real magic lies in its standard Super Hi4 intelligent all-wheel drive hybrid architecture. This system pairs a highly efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with a powerful, dual-motor electric framework split across both axles. It generates a jaw-dropping combined output of 358 kilowatts, which translates to 480 horsepower and an incredible 762 newton-meters of torque. With active torque vectoring, the Alpine 7 SUV edition continuously manages will slip, giving you the raw clawing traction of an authentic 4x4 crossover. Step inside the cabin, and you are immediately welcomed by a high-tech sanctuary that no standard luxury SUV on Earth can mathematically compete with. Because it utilizes an MPV's inherently superior space efficiency, the cabin boasts a completely flat floor layout and an incredibly expansive wheelbase. The front cockpit is anchored by a flawless digital dashboard matrix running GWM's latest Coffee OS smart architecture, backed by lightning-fast processing speeds, an advanced head-up display, and intuitive AI voice command arrays. But the absolute headline lies in the second row. Instead of the cramped, compromised seating found in traditional three-row SUVs, the Alpine 7 SUV edition treats your family to dual zero-gravity executive captain's chairs wrapped in ultra-premium Napa leather. These seats feature multi-stage ventilation, rapid heating, pneumatic massage functions, and independent leg rests. Combine that with a dual-zone panoramic glass sunroof that floods the interior with natural light, multi-zone air purification with allergen filtering, and an immersive 3D surround sound system, and this interior becomes the definitive gold standard for long-distance luxury travel. The Alpine 7 SUV edition effortlessly deletes the traditional, boring van stereotype. Up front, it retains the majestic chrome waterfall grille, but frames it with a heavily reinforced front bumper and integrated aluminum skid plates designed to handle rough transitions. Moving down the side profile, the traditional sliding door packaging is accented by rugged lower sill protectors and functional matte aluminum roof rails. Riding on massive, variant-exclusive multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in higher sidewall premium tires, it achieves a fiercely planted, muscular road presence. So, is the Weipai Alpine 7 SUV edition actually worth buying? The answer is an absolute, resounding yes. This vehicle is a flawless blueprint for family adventurers who demand the authentic rough road capability, high seating position, and all-weather traction of a premium 4x4 crossover, but refuse to sacrifice the spectacular cabin space and second-row luxury that only a top-tier MPV can provide. By matching a brutal 480 horsepower intelligent AWD hybrid system with elevated ground clearance, GWM has created the perfect antidote to the traditional luxury crossover. Silently smash that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now to stay ahead of the global automotive curve. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.